Hi guys. God, gotta stop doing that. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I know. I've been busy. I've been really busy, so yeah. So I decided to do a mukbang video because I was supposed to be Ubering today and I ran out of money, so that's why I'm doing it. No, it's called sweet and spicy chicken with sticky rice. Yeah, I'm drinking on no-nos today. Okay, here's the sticky rice that I made. See it? Oh, it's steaming hot. Okay, ready? It's in there. You're wondering what these slices are here? Chicken skin. I've fried it. Yeah, so there's chicken and green beans in this, okay? And in here, chicken bones that I'm going to like naan because I fried that with this. Okay, so I got some green onions. Let's do this. Oh, before they get soggy, it's probably too late. I should have just waited to put this in the sauce, but it's still crunchy, right? Forgot napkins. No, I didn't. Oh, where's the candle? I know, right? There's... No, nothing yet, guys. So no, since there's not a tablecloth on here, I'll just put it right here and then light it. God, that skin tastes good though. Okay. Another piece of skin, see? This is from a chicken thigh, okay? I love skin, chicken skin. I don't know if you guys had pork rinds. We talked about it between Calvin and I on his live shots, live feeds. But this, I think I like this better than pork rinds. Okay? Let's put it that way. If you make it right, it will be a lot better. All right, and green beans. Oh, I almost dropped it. Nope. Now I steam these first before I put them in with the sauce. So, I got the recipe off the internet about the spicy sweet chicken. One of the ingredients says 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, but it didn't specify which hot sauce, so I put sriracha in it. Sriracha, yeah. Tastes pretty good. Now the chicken is supposed to be crunchy. It sort of is. Tastes really good. You know how sticky rice is, right? It's hard to, it's like cement. You know? No. It calls for chicken breast, but I don't like chicken breast. I use chicken thighs. Took me a while to cut them up. Where did you go? I'll find it. Yeah, spicy. Very good. I'll pay for this later. Okay. So I couldn't get all the meat off the bones, so that's why I cooked them up, fried them up. I don't think you guys mind. I brought this bowl thinking I was going to need it. I should. And then sprinkle some. Oops. Cool. My aunt taught me how to use them on this side. This hand. Tried to, anyways. Can I put this one? Okay. So good. I'm getting hooked. Addicted to the sticky rice. Something about it is really good. It's not sweet. Oops, sorry. It's just, I don't know. I'm almost out of it too. I have enough for one more batch, maybe half a batch. So I found out that one of the YouTubers that I follow from Thailand, I don't know if I told you guys about him. I know I did. I have to. Now he's having problems with trolls. Makes me wonder if it's the same group of people or the same person that's doing it on my channel. Because I mentioned it, you know, so. Really tender, very flavorful. I worked 7 hours yesterday. Hear that? It was very long, 7 hours. And then afterwards I met my mentor, one of my mentors, for dinner. She treated me to dinner at a buffet. I don't know how I picked out. I was going to do a video, but realized that my phone didn't have enough memory to do one, so I didn't do it. She's like, why didn't you bring your other camera? Yeah, okay. Walk into the place with it. No. Excuse me. You know the strange thing is I don't like bone marrow. But I'll eat fried skin and crunchy things off bones. This one took a while to cook because it was a thicker bone, thicker thigh. Bigger bone. So if I win the lottery anytime soon, I'm going to Thailand to visit. I told him I want to come to visit. He's like, show up. I don't care. So guess what? I will find a way. First I gotta get my passport. One step at a time, right? I'm saving this one. I'm saving it. Oh, guys, can't see it. For the last. Yeah. Okay, so this sauce calls for 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey. Let's see, two tablespoons of fresh ginger. Excuse me, chopped. But since I only have powder, I use powder. So I used 1 teaspoon of powder. You know how condensed that stuff is, right? 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, fresh garlic. I didn't have any more garlic, fresh garlic, so I used 1 teaspoon of powdered garlic. And what else? Oh, and a quarter cup of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce. You mix it and let it sit while you cook the chicken. And the chicken takes a while to cook. If you have a faster way, do it. My whole house is smoky right now. Because I fried the chicken. Really good. Now I use cornstarch to make the chicken crunchy, but it's not crunchy anymore. And it made the chicken taste really good too. So. Oh. Anything else happening in my life? No. Well, there is, but I'm not supposed to talk about it, so not until it's official, because it's not up to me. Oh. Piece of bone. I was looking for that piece. Found it. Spicy, 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 and yummy, yummy, yummy. I'll put the link down in the description of the video that I sort of copied. I just changed it around a little bit because I didn't have the fresh ingredients. Next time I'm going to put less spice. My stomach's been upset. Oh. I have like this stinging pain by my belly button. And I think it's because of all the spicy food I've been eating the past few days. It reached 53 degrees today. Mm. Mm-mm. Oops. I can't eat anymore. Oh. Hey Paul, if you're watching my video. I can't get enough of sticky rice. Gonna have to get more. Mm. Is there such thing as overcooking the sticky rice? Keep it on warm for too long? Should I not do that? Oh my god, I'm so full. I won't. I promised. I'll find room for this. It's like dessert. This is how good it tastes. Mm. Yep, no makeup today. I was going to put things at half off today to try to sell off and sell what I paid for. But the way sales have been lately, I don't think it even will work. So I didn't even bother. Excuse me. There's only 4 pieces. Mm. It's really good. Ah. Now the rest of the sticky rice I'll put with the others and save it. Jeez, I wish I had 2 stomachs. Thank you so much for joining me for dinner, guys. Sorry this is a quick one. I just cooked it on the stove because it dealt with grease and high heat and wouldn't be good for this. Even though you guys probably would have enjoyed it. I got burned several times and I didn't want to get my computer dirty or anything. So, okay. So, you guys have a nice weekend and I'll talk to you soon, hopefully, if I'm not too busy. Okay? All right. Bye.